your things, don't leave your things unattended here. Okay? Because your things not my responsibilities. Always double check your personal belongings before you leave this island. Okay? It's not my own. Will we still give you 40 to 45 minutes here for this story? Or is... Yes, 45 minutes, 40 minutes here.
Yung cellphone mo.